Alright guys, in this video you will learn how to send pre-populated Calendly links to your leads on Instagram, which means that whenever they are trying to book, their information, their email address, everything is already gonna be filled out. This reduces friction with call booking, so more people are gonna book in for calls. Now I'm gonna show you how to build it. But first of all, what you need for this is an Instagram account, obviously ManyChat Pro, which is the paid version of ManyChat, and a Calendly account. Now, when it comes to Calendly, this is how the normal Calendly link looks like. So if I go to this one and open it, so I go here, everything is empty. But if you customize the URL of the booking link like this, first name, last name, email, and then the answer to the first question, is gonna already pre-populate the Calendly booking form with these answers in the URL. So I'm just gonna copy this and show you how this looks like in real life. Go to this website, it's gonna take me to a simple Calendly booking page. Everything looks the same here, but if I pick a time and go next, it already has my first name, last name, email address, and answer there. Now, how we're gonna do that is it's gonna be a ManyChat automation. So you're just gonna go to automations here, create a new one, and let's get started. Start from scratch. So for the trigger, probably the trigger is gonna be something that the person sends you a DM. So let's just go with the detect a specific message. Let's call this, let's say keyword 2, because I have another one with keyword 1, and then create. Now, here, the send message, we can do something like, please drop your email address and I'll send you the booking link right after. So we're gonna ask for their email address in the DMs first, and once they provide it, we're gonna send them the booking link with their email address already there. So you know what, I'm just gonna copy this out of here and delete this, because what we need is a user input. That's a pro feature. So we're gonna put back the question here. So the reply type is gonna be an email reply type, and if the person doesn't write a correct email address, just like blah blah blah, it's gonna send them a message like, hey, please enter a correct email address. And there's also gonna be a skip button. If they don't give their email address, they can just skip. Once this is done, the next step is gonna be to send them the Calendly booking link. So it's gonna be an Instagram step. Click the button below to book your call, and here you can add the button. Click here. I'm just gonna keep it simple now, and it's gonna be an open website button. The website URL is gonna be this Calendly URL that we're gonna customize here. So what you wanna do is go to your own Calendly page, copy the link here. You can use this template that I gave you. Go back to ManyChat, put the simple URL here, go to this extra sauce URL and copy this part all the way until the question mark and put it at the end of your URL. So wait, wrong thing, back. I need to copy this, Control C, and then boom. Okay, so it should look like your call URL, question mark, and then name, etc, etc. And all you want to do here is replace these parts with dynamically changing first name, last name, email. So how you do that is simply you delete it, you hit this little symbol here, and then put first name. Same with the last name, delete it, this little thing, last name. Email, delete it, this little thing, email. Answer 1, which is gonna be whatever the first question is in your Calendly booking page, the answer to that. Delete that, this thing, and in this case for me this is gonna be the Instagram username. Okay, and then done. And then that's it. You just set it live and you can start using it now. Okay, so now let's test it. I'm on my girlfriend's Instagram account right here, and I'm gonna go to my Instagram, message, put the keyword 2, send it. It's gonna trigger the automation. Please drop your email address first. Okay. All right, email address is there. Click the button below to book the call. Click here to book the call. Everything looks super simple, normal booking page. I pick my time, and then the name, the email address, and the IG username are already filled out. So I just click literally schedule event, and it's much faster this way. In this case, the automation triggered with a keyword, but a lot of times you just talk to somebody in the DMs and they say, hey, yeah, sure, let's book a call, send me your Calendly link, and you're just gonna send it to them manually. And you can also do that by going on the ManyChat website to live chat, pick the person that you were talking to, hit this little automations button and choose whichever automation you want to send them. Now in this case we have these keywords too, untitled automation. This is what we're going to send them, and as you can see, it's going to also send them the same message, please drop your email address on the phone. You can also do this from the ManyChat phone app. So if you are talking to someone on the Instagram app, you can just switch to the ManyChat app, trigger this automation the same way, and send a pre-populated Calendly link. Now, if you are in my school community, you will have access to this template already. So it's pretty simple to build, but if you don't want to spend your time doing that, you can have it in my school community and many more automations and AI stuff there. So it should be in the description somewhere. Join the school community and see you guys in the next one.